In this video, we're going to look at measures of centre and range. By measures of centre, we mean finding averages. There are three types of average that we use in primary mathematics and in lower key stage 3, which is the mode, the median, and the mean averages. So we're going to take a nice easy bar chart. This one is about pocket money per week. We have 6 people, conveniently called A, B, C, D, E, F, and we can see how many pounds pocket money each person receives every week. The first measure of centre that we're going to look at is the mode average. Mode means the most frequently occurring set of data, and I've highlighted here in grey A and E because they both have £4 a week and the others all have different amounts. Each of the other amounts only occurs once, £4 occurs twice, so it's the mode average. The next centre, measurement of centre, is the median average, and that means the middle value. And if you look carefully, you'll notice that along the bottom, we're no longer going A through to F, but these letters are now out of order, and that's because I have put the data in increasing order of size. It could be increasing or decreasing, it doesn't really matter, but they do have to go in order. And then we're looking for the middle value. Well, I have 6 pieces of data here, so there is no middle, it would be in there somewhere. So we take the 2 centre values and we find out the halfway point. We do that by adding them together and dividing the answer by 2. £3 and £4 is £7, divided by 2 is £3.50. So the median average amount of pocket money is £3.50 a week. The final average we're going to look at is the mean average. This is the one that is now most focused on in year 6. So the mean average means that all the values have been evenly distributed. So what I'm trying to show with these arrows here is that so this block was originally belonged to A, these 2 blocks were originally on C, and block E here, that's going to be spread out across all 6 people. And we can do that so we know it's going to be a bit more than £3 is going to be the mean average amount of pocket money. To be precise, we can work it out through a calculation. To do that, we add up all of the values. So we've got £4, £3, £5, £2, £4 again, and £1. So we have the total of the values, which in this case is going to be 10, 18, £19. We then divide the sum of the values by the number of values that we have. So we have 6 values. So the sum, 19, is divided by 6, which gives us about £3.17. It's 3.1666666. So if we round it up, we're going to have about £3.17 will be the mean average amount of pocket money a week. The final measure we're going to look at is range. Range quite simply means the distance from the minimum value to the maximum value. So we take the maximum value, which is in this case is £5, and we subtract the minimum value, which here is £1. So we have a range of £4. So all of the data occurs within a range of £4.